Give me your blog.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you feeling? Been doing a little bit better?
A little bit better. I get some sleep after what we had.
Okay. Little spot right here. Let's see. In this upper back. Right in there and down here. Perfect.
Hope to get
So
some
you did
more
sleep a little
tonight.
bit better then, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Nice.
Good.
Perfect. Good.
Right.
All right.
Face down.
Now let's go face down here.
Now, face down.
Okay, so we're off here a little bit on your leg length. So that's what we're working on. Let me get this one up in here. Just relax. Good, one more. Perfect. Okay, roll up on your right side for me.
Tagilid ka. Dito doon sa harap na.
So that one leg was off just a little bit. It was a little bit short.
Yes.
So that's the one we're going to work on right now, right in here.
Oh.
That one, perfect. Now the other side. Good. I'm going to bring this one up and right back like this. There's the other one. There, perfect. Good. Now let's go back face down.
Face down.
Let me grab another paper towel here for you. I already grabbed it. So let me check this. Let's see. Now we should be nice and even, and that's what we're seeing there. So keeping this leg straight from the hip right here. Raise this leg as high as you can for me. Good. Put it down. Now let's do the other one. Looks good. Nice and even. Turn and sit up for me.
Oh.
How's that feel? Even better?
Yes.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Really.
So again, each day you should sleep a little bit better. You should feel better. You should feel less on spasms. Your back should feel more like you can do more things. And we're just really getting to that point where it'll be all fixed.
I've been asleep for a long time.
Yeah. Well, it's time to get rid of it.
Yes.
So this is
I want
probably
freedom.
This is probably the best you've felt in a long time then, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, and that was just with one visit. Today's our second visit. And I think by this time next week, we'll be quite a bit better too.
Yeah.
So it'll be exciting to kind of compare and
Yeah.
see. All right, let's go do a
Okay.
little therapy with you then.
Okay, thank you, Doc.